So I intend to use this for an ebb and flow, intermittent duty cycle. I figure it'll be off most of the time and only on long enough to fill the tank, maybe a couple times an hour. It will only run during the day, so it's good use, but it's also stretching the use case for the pump. So it'll be interesting to see how long it lasts. And I also have to point out that I'm not recommending this as a use case. Get 1-inch PVC pipe thread, and it screws on quite nicely. This allows me to take the pump out of the system for cleaning. One of the things I liked about the manual is it does give you a pretty good breakout with parts list and cleaning instructions. So when the time comes, you can. So those are the basics. The only other thing I want to point out is it doesn't highly recommend. Pretty much it requires you to use a GFCI plug, and you avoid that requirement at your own risk. Anyway, I digress. I like it so far. I'll put it in the basin and see how it works.
Alright, well, I apologize for some of the audio issues earlier in the video, but in summary, the review is that it looks like it'll work very nicely for my pump here. At this point, I'm completely satisfied with its performance. And I do like the 1-inch continuous path from the pump into the beds. Alright, it's working pretty good. Also, when the media is in the bed, it'll provide a little bit of extra resistance to keep that from pushing off the end.